amazing silence of courage ended 7 years of unimaginable suffering. Hasta Mahananda, a woman from Titlagarh in Odisha's Bolangir district, has finally reunited with her family after being trafficked to the UAE. Hasta had migrated to Mumbai with her husband in search of work. According to allegations, her husband later sold her to a broker who arranged her passport and sent her to the UAE. There, she was forced to work in a sheikh's house while her passport was confiscated, leaving her trapped. Unable to seek help openly, Hasta secretly recorded a short video and sent it to her sister. After OTV highlighted her plight, the video drew widespread attention, prompting swift action by the authorities. Following the intervention of the High Court, several agencies, including the Ministry of External Affairs, Indian diplomatic authorities, and Odisha Police, coordinated her rescue. Passport and immigration records helped trace her location, leading to her return home after 7 years. Police have arrested her husband on charges of human trafficking, while the district administration has assured rehabilitation and livelihood support, giving Hasta a chance to rebuild her life.
बॉम्बे रु दुबई पठे देला मोर हजबैंड आउ से मैंने दुबई नहीं कि ना गले मते से बिकी देला मते मते पैसा पतर किछि नहीं दउथे किछि नहीं से दिन ठारू कथबार्ता किछि नहीं मोर कांटेक्ट नहीं थे मैडम रो कांटेक्ट थिले और तार अकाउंट रे से मैंने पैसा पठोथिले और मुझे से अनुसार रात दिन काम करूथिले बहुत कष्ट होथिला मते मुझे रकत भात खाई खे सेने रहउथिले।